Okay, so students, can you see the PowerPoint slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Ashutosh, hope I am clear, huh? See, the information
Yes, sir.
on number of customers, the potential of customers, such information can be gathered by way of survey, either by the company or by a marketing research firm. If the marketing research firm gathers, they sell this information to the client, which is a marketing organization or a sales organization. Okay, and what I was talking about the sales calls. Okay, can it be less than 1,500 or can it be more than 1,500 in a, okay, when I was working for a pharmaceutical company as a medical detailer, which is a job of a sales representative. Okay, so approximately I used to make about 10 to, okay, 15 sales calls, okay, per day. Okay, so we'll consider it as a 10, okay, and 6 working day I had. So 10 into 6, okay, 60 sales calls, okay, in 1 week. Okay, so 60 into 50, how much it is? 10 sales calls per day, 6 working days in a week. So 10 into 6, 60 sales calls per week. Okay, then 60 into 50 weeks, 3,000 sales calls. You can understand the double of this illustration. Okay, so in pharma and in general in India in pharmaceutical industry, that is how it is. 3,000 sales calls per rep per year is possible. And you will wonder further, FMCG company like Hindustan Unilever Limited. Okay, so one of our students was working. I have heard it, okay, but I am not very sure. They say if you go to one district, you will have 1 or 2 distributors only, like Hubballi, one distributor in of HUL. Come to Dharwad, one distributor in, okay, Dharwad. Okay, so what will you do rest of the day? Okay, first of all, the territory of a FMCG sales rep will be longer, like 5 to 6 districts or maybe 10 districts, I don't know exactly. Okay, then in each district when he visits, okay, he is required to meet minimum 40 retail stores. Can you understand? 40 retail stores. The sales rep has to visit per day. Okay, so that is how things gone. So if you go by that way, 40 into 5 also if I consider, but I think 6 working days are there in a year in India. Okay, so 40 into 6, 240 calls per week. Okay, so 240 into 50, if you can multiply. Students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in between it got disconnected and it connected back on its own. Okay. So I was talking about FMCG companies in India expect their sales reps to meet 40 Kirana stores, okay, per day. So that's amount to 240. Okay, 40 into 6, 240. Yeah, see, it is a second time it got disconnected and again it is getting connected.
So unmute your mics.
Yeah, I have unmuted. Can you hear me? Hello. Yeah, now can you hear me? Or voice is lost?
Sir, no, sir, we can't hear you, sir.
Okay, wait a minute, let me check.
Sir, now we can hear you, sir.
Now you can hear me. Okay.
I guess internet connection problem.
Yeah. But I don't know here, internet, yeah, it is showing internet is unstable. Okay, whatever. So 240 calls per week. Okay, so that if you multiply by 50, so approximately 240 into 50 weeks, 12,000 sales calls, 12,000 sales calls. Okay. So this is how things are. If it is a B2B marketing, the number of sales calls will be fewer. But if it is going to be channel management or B2C, okay, so they expect you to make more number of sales calls. Okay. And any idea about, okay, so you know these companies, online distance learning program education, okay, they market through telemarketing. You are aware about these companies?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Byju's. One more.
Sir, White Hat Junior.
The company which comes to our campus.
So Byju's only, no, sir.
Okay, one more. Okay, I will forget it, whatever. So these companies, they will have field sales force as well as a telemarketing sales force. You are aware, right? Inside sales, they call it.
Yes, sir.
What is the number of telecalls the inside sales have to make per day? Any idea?
100 to 150, sir.
Correct. 100 to 200 it is. In the range, it depends again. So now, even if you consider 100, try to make it 6 days in a week, right? So 100 into 6. Okay, 5 consider. 100 into 5, 500. 500 into 50 weeks. So 3 zeros. 5 into 5, 25. 25,000 sales calls. Okay, that is telemarketing. Ashutosh, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
How these things differ? Okay, only thing a teacher need to have knowledge. Otherwise, this discussion would have ended there only. Okay, so
Yes,
I hope
sir.
you appreciate the discussion. So thank you, Ashutosh, for initiating this interaction. Okay, so now I will stop the share. Okay, and I'll go ahead with attendance. Okay, so I think it is already 10 o'clock, right?
Sir, 5
Yes,
minutes
sir.
there.
5 minutes.
Okay, then I'll try quickly. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Everybody be ready, huh? Don't waste time. You can, like first student, Nishad, she can unmute and be ready. Second student, Aditya can unmute and be ready. That way. One person ahead. Huh? Okay, then Nishad.
Absent, sir.
Okay. Aditya.
Absent, sir.
Akshata.
Absent, sir.
Present, sir.
Akshata present. Akshay Pujari.
Present, sir.
Akshay Koradkeri.
Present, sir.
Anusha. Sorry, Ankita.
Sir, Ankita, present, sir.
Anusha.
Sir, she is present, sir.
Okay. Apeksha is present. Ashutosh
Yes.
present.
Present, sir.
Prasad present, right?
Yes, sir.
Then Supriya is
Yes, sir.
present. Yeah, Supriya is also
Present,
present.
sir.
Divya present.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Gautam.
Present, sir.
Yeah, present. Gautam is present. Gururaj present.
Present, sir. Present.
Yeah, Hanumantra is also present. Bhimaya
Yes, sir.
is present.
Present, sir.
Kalaya is also present.
Present, sir.
Yeah.
Present, sir.
Karthik.
Present, sir.
Okay. Then Manjur is present. Or absent today. Manjur absent. Manoj
Yes, sir.
present. Meghna Kalburgi.
Present, sir.
Yeah, present. Meghna Lokhande
Present, sir.
present. Nandan is present.
Present, sir.
Nikita.
Present, sir.
Yeah, present. Pradeep absent.
Absent, sir.
Then Pramod.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then Pranjali.
Present, sir.
Prashant. Prashant.
Absent,
Absent.
sir.
Prema.
Absent, sir.
Absent. Okay. Then Rahul.
Present, sir.
Present. Ram.
Present, sir.
Rohit.
Absent, sir.
Absent, sir.
Okay, absent. Varsha is present. Samuel is absent.
Absent, sir.
Sharan is present. Shruti,
Shruti, absent, sir.
absent. Shweta Kalkeri,
Present, sir.
Snehal is present. Sudarshan,
Sir Snehal present.
present.
Absent.
Sudarshan is present.
No, sir. He is absent, sir.
No. Then Sudha,
Also
Absent,
absent.
sir.
absent. Suman,
Present, sir.
Present, yeah, Suman present. Vishal,
Present, sir.
okay. So I hope everybody gave attendance.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Sir Varsha.
Varsha marked present.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, yeah. Good day to everyone and see you tomorrow again. Yeah, join the next
Okay,
class on
sir.
time.
Thank you, sir. Good
Yes,
day.
sir.